Well, good morning, every one of you, team. Welcome back to day 2 demo session on Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. Once again, a warm welcome, every one of you, to Triotech software trainings. And today is our day 2 on our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications training. So yesterday we had a demo, and from today it's going to be continuation, right? So let me go through what we discussed yesterday in this respective demo. Okay. So let me go through what are the concepts that we have gone through yesterday, right? But before starting today's session, I want to let you know two things, team. Number one, for all the people, for the people whoever completed with the registrations, maximum in the call have completed their registrations by this time. So for everyone, our team sent emails to you. So I request everyone, please be very concentrated here what I am telling, because if you are missing this, you are going to miss the portal access everything, team. So I request everyone, please verify from your end after your registration, whatever the email ID that you shared with our team. See, till yesterday, 7 o'clock, like that, whoever completed, our team already sent access to your emails. But late evenings, some people from US, they did in the midnights and early in the mornings today before the class, just 1 hour before some people enrolled. For them, okay, please wait till afternoon today, you will get. But whoever the people enrolled before 7 p.m. yesterday, for every one of you, our team sent an email with your credentials. What you will be getting in that email, as I told you yesterday, in this training program, along with the live training, you will be getting video recording of everyday class. Correct? Now also the session is recording. Within next half an hour, session will be shared to you. How? I told you yesterday. We have our own learning portal. If you go to our website, you will have here live classes login button, yellow color button. And also one thing I want to tell you. Some people yesterday asking us they couldn't able to log in with their account credentials. Please don't click on e-learn. This is not your course. You have to log in to live classes. You enrolled for live training. Every day you're attending the live classes. So please click on this live classes button, and then you will be given with user ID and password in the email. Use that credentials and log in into the portal. So for every one of you, this portal access has been created yesterday. And also we sent an email with the steps how to follow, how to access this learning portal, team. And the email ID that you will be receiving the email is info@triotechsoftwaretrainings.com. Why I am telling this particularly is, I can just share the mail and I can keep quiet. But some people not uh, realizing the details that what we have shared to you. And also few of you complained that they haven't received emails. Once please check out your spam folder also. For very few participants, we noticed yesterday email going to spam folder in your inbox, email inbox. Please do check out, team. From info@triotechsoftwaretrainings.com. From this email ID that you are seeing in the website here, we have sent access credentials to every one of you. In that, this learning portal user account and password for you, and also WhatsApp community link, a button also we given in that email. Open that email from your mobile, click on that WhatsApp link so that you will be added into the WhatsApp community for this new batch. starting from tomorrow, any communication that I want to do with you people, it could be about a class schedule, it could be an announcement related to a holiday, or it could be a material sharing to you, interview tips sharing to you, or job referrals posting to you. Everything from Triotech will be coming to that community only. If you are not, some people are in community already, but that is not your community. That is a promotional community we use for batches. But today in your email, whatever you received along with your e-learning portal access, please click on that group link and join into that. When we notice it today morning, 20% of the candidates who enrolled yesterday only joined in that community. Rest of them, I don't think so. You have not noticed that link in your email. So please do check out your email clearly. These two things I want everyone to verify from your end. If you have not received access today, please check out with the admin with whom you are contacted. Okay, please check out with them. So till today evening 5 o'clock, you wait. Beyond that, if you haven't received any email, please reach out to admin because we require some time to create the accounts for everyone. There is a cooling period also for account to get activated. So already people enrolled before 7 p.m. yesterday, you already received. But people enrolled after that, you will get today. No need to worry. But even today after 5 p.m., if you haven't received any email, please reach out to the admin team and get your access details team. Because starting from tomorrow, no session will be shared to you in the WhatsApp. Yesterday you got the demo recording in the WhatsApp, YouTube link. But going forward, you won't be shared in the WhatsApp. In the learning portal only, everyday classes will be uploaded. You have to watch from that. Okay. So this is something really important I want to share with you before starting the session. Right? Some people, you just paid the fee using the link, but you are not contacting our admin. So you might be missing the connection team. Whenever you paid, please share the details to the admin department to the WhatsApp number where you are communicating. They will create your account and they will share with you. Okay. Now, before getting into today's topic, let us have a quick recap of what we discussed yesterday. In yesterday's demo session, first I introduced to you what is this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications is about and who can learn this particular program. And then I introduce it to you about myself, who I am, what experience I have, and also I introduce it to you about Triotech software trainings and our affiliation with different corporate companies. And also I have introduced it to you our YouTube community, right? And also the college associations that Triotech currently having. These all things first we gone through team. A quick intro about me and Triotech we have seen. And then I started with the concept of ERP. So what is ERP? What are the different ERP products available in the market? Why any company will use this ERP products in their businesses? We understood. And particularly within this, what is Oracle HCM Cloud? Who will use this application for what purpose? These all things we discussed yesterday. And then we spoke about the fusion evolution path, the background or the history of the fusion applications we've been gone through team, right? And also we have seen Oracle Fusion applications product portfolio. Under fusion applications, what are the different products that Oracle offering in the market? That all we have seen team. And then I introduce it to you types of companies. Generally, in any software application, service provider means who, client or customer means who, consulting company means who. And once you learn this program, in what sort of companies you will be recruited and what we will do, that all we discussed in types of companies. And then I also introduced to you release versions of our Oracle Fusion applications. In 2011, when Oracle introduced the Fusion applications in the market, what is the version they introduced? Since then, how it got evolved? What is the latest version of the Fusion application? And also, what is the upgradation policy that Oracle follow every year? I told you 4 times every year Oracle will upgrade their application. And during that time, what will happen and how the release numbering Oracle will follow, the sequencing in the numbering Oracle will follow every year. That all we discussed. And then I introduced to you what are the modules we have in Oracle HCM cloud applications. What comes under functional, what comes under technical. As part of this training program, what modules we are going to cover in this techno-functional training. These all I explained you yesterday. And I also told you we will be covering this training completely on the latest Redwood user interface. And we will be also covering the Visual Builder Studio for the page customizations in the Redwood UI. These all will be covered, I told you. And I told you about the market demanded roles, whether you have to focus as a functional consultant or a technical consultant or as a techno-functional consultant. These differences also I explained you yesterday, team. And then I introduced it to you a few of the market standards currently, how Oracle Fusion applications are operating. So as per Gartner report, last 3 years I told Oracle stood top in the market. Then what will be the average salary packages? What will be your career progression for next 10-15 years? Will AI replacing Oracle HCM consultant jobs or not? These all things we discussed in yesterday's demo session. And also I have gone through few of our student placement success stories here for your reference purpose, team, as part of our placement testimonials, right? And then I explained you the program details yesterday. What will be the class timings, what benefits you will be getting from Triotech, and what placement support, and how the workshop sessions will be taking with respective to the real-time project implementation. These all things we discussed in our yesterday's class. Now today I'm going to start our session with these two topics. First of all, so what are they? In yesterday's session only we supposed to cover these things: Oracle Knowledge Repository and Oracle certification process. But due to the timing issue, I have not taken up these two things. Let me take up these today and I will proceed further. Okay. First of all, whenever you people learning this technology, you should able to access Oracle repository, team. Okay. Okay. You should able to access Oracle repository. Means what, Kumar? Oracle repository means, as I told you, anyhow, we are going to provide you the materials for every module in this training. So this drive link also you will be getting. Yesterday I have shown you the user manuals that we prepared for your practice purpose for every module and all. On top of the materials what I am providing, if you want to access Oracle standard materials with respective to this technology, where you have to go and where you have to download them. That is Oracle Knowledge Repository. For every applications of Oracle, Oracle delivering the standard implementation guides, user guides, admin guides for their application team. How you can access them? Not only that, yesterday when I told you Fusion application have quarterly upgradation policy. Every 3 months, they will upgrade their application. During this time, they will bring new functionalities in each module I told you. Right, team? So, what new features Oracle bringing in the system? How we people will be knowing, team? Generally, every time, now we are in 26B release. Next month, we are going to get 26C. So, whenever Oracle upgrading their application, Oracle will release the release notes into the market. In the upcoming upgrade, in each module, what new functionalities they are bringing in the system. If a perfect document Oracle will prepare and they will share it to the open world in the market. In Core HR module, these new functionalities on this screen, this feature we are bringing in. Or in absence module, these 4 or 5 new features we are bringing. And on this screen here we have with the screenshots and navigation to that new feature, Oracle will release the document into the market. This is a very important point for every student of my I'll be telling. Whenever you learning a subject, you should also keep in mind that you should also grow along with the application. If application is transforming, if the application is evolving, you should also evolve along with that, or else you will be out of competition. So here, phenomenal changes. You have to undergo a specific training, nothing. Basic cosmetic level functionality differences we can experience, team. So this activity you also should make as your habit in your entire lifetime when you working in this Oracle HCM cloud applications. Every 3 months, spend 15 minutes of your time. Every 3 months, spend 15 minutes of your time. Download the document from the Oracle website. Explore the document. In each module, what upgrades Oracle bringing in. 15-20 minutes, team, not more than that. So you can understand, acha, okay, in Core HR module, here new functionality Oracle brings in. Or in talent module, here Oracle brings in new functionality. So where we can access that document, Kumar, now I'm going to show you. So Oracle materials for this implementation, and also every quarterly upgrade, the release document where you can access means go to internet, open your Google Chrome, just type as docs.oracle.com. I'm just giving this link to every one of you in the Zoom chat. You can also explore right away along with me. Just I dropped it in the meeting, Google chat, sorry, Zoom chat. Every one of you got a message. Just you click on it, explore along with me, team. Go to Google, just type as docs.oracle.com. Nothing but documents.oracle.com. The website name is. Then you will land upon this. Here you can see all Oracle applications in the market. Cloud infrastructure, generative AI, then MySQL HeatWave, then Java, then you have Oracle Database, Apex, Oracle Linux, and here our cloud applications. That too, Fusion. In Fusion also, we have multiple products I told you yesterday. Financial, supply chain, sales, human resource. Now many of you will get a doubt. Kumar associated with Oracle, Kumar having logins to access this website. Nothing. It's an open source. See, if I keep my cursor here, now it is asking me to sign in or create the account. Did I log in into Oracle website? No. Just I went to Google Chrome. I typed docs.oracle.com. I land upon this. This is something an open source, but many people don't know, and many people think that if a person working in Oracle company or if anyone who associated with Oracle, they will get access to this. No. Now you people try it out. In the Zoom chat, I given the website link. So you have to come to docs.oracle.com. Here come to cloud applications, Fusion application suite, and go to human resource. Our application is human resource team. So it will open to this website, to this screen, Oracle Human Resources. Here, if you go to all books, click on all books here, click on all books here, then you will land up on this stream, all books. Here you can filter. Do you want implementation guides? Means how to implement each module in HCM you want, or user guides once we configure the system and we hand it over to the client. If they started using this system, how they will be using that guides you want, or HR admin guides you want, what you can filter team. I want implementation guides, filter. Now see, implementing absence module, implementing benefits module, okay, implementing compensation, global HR, payroll, help desk. In payroll, we have localization team, country to country, payroll for Bahrain, Canada, China, implement time and labor, what not. Whatever the modules we have in the system. Yesterday I told you, we have these all modules. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation, OTL, all these things you can see here. So let's say I want to implement core HR module, that is global HR. Click on this PDF symbol here. System will take you to the document. It's a 380 page document. Oracle delivered standard material for core HR module implementation. Every topic, detailed explanation. What is that? That all team. But these documents are lengthy and hefty. That is why generally I suggest you prefer our documents. These are easy to handle. Now, if you go to our drive folder, which you will be getting, if you go to core HR folder here, see this is a material that what we prepared, 130 page document in our easy understanding, in our layman terminology. I mean to say our regional English explanations. We have this material prepared with screenshots and navigations, which I shown you yesterday. You can refer our material 100%, no doubt about that. But still, if you want to access Oracle standard materials team, you can come here and you can download into your laptop. Like that, for every module, you can access the materials from here team. So come to all books, keep here, filter as implementation, and you can find them. So this is what Oracle documents you can access team. Now, the most important thing, as I told you, quarterly upgrade release documents. Every quarter, when Oracle upgrading their system, providing an upgrade to the software, what new functionalities they are bringing in, how you can explore in this page only. Above all books, we have cloud readiness. Click on cloud readiness. Here, if you come team, you can see your products on the left hand side. ERP, enterprise means finance, supply chain, HCM, sales, market, everything. Now HCM, human capital management team. You can select a release. You want latest updates or past updates, you can filter latest update. Scroll down, scroll down. Here you can see team. 26B. Now our current release version of our application yesterday I shown you, right? 26B. So here we have seen benefits module, what's new, 26B. Compensation module, what's new, help desk module, global HR module, human resource team, then compensation, then OLC, learning and development, then ORC, recruiting cloud, then talent management, absence management, time and labor, payroll. What's not? For every module, we have our documents ready. Now, if I go to this document team, let's say anything you can pick up. Let's say uh, I'm going to human resource what's new 26B. If I click on it team, in global HR module, in 26B release, what's new features Oracle brings in, you can see them. Click on the left hand side, expand that, then expand the global HR, see team. These all are the new features Oracle brings in. So if you select that feature, there is something here, configurable countries and phone LOVs in Redwood page. So what is that new feature? In the front end, on which screen where that feature came in. See that highlighting. Like this, Oracle will give the documentation team. So these are all the new features in Core HR module came up in this 26B upgrade. If you want for another module, go back. Let's say you want to check a recruiting module or absence management module. Then click on this absence management, what's new 26B. Okay. Then expand here, absence management. So these are the new features came in absence management team. So if you select that, so what is that feature? Okay, what is that feature and where that particular front end, that particular functionality is coming up. So you can see with explanation everything team. For few of them, only explanation is sufficient. For few of them, what is that feature? Screenshot by highlighting that it will give that functionality explanation team. This is something, take it very seriously and make it as a habit. Not every day, every 3 months, whenever your application upgrading from one release to another release, you go to that cloud readiness, explore all modules, spend 15-20 minutes of your time. Today you are new to this technology, you don't know anything, it will be very more time you have to spend to explore. But once you start learning this, you got comfortable with the application, and once you got a job, you joined the company, you are working on it, all the screens are very familiar to you by that time. So just 15-20 minutes, if you come and if you just walk through like this, you can able to understand, acha, okay, in absence module, this new feature came on the screen. Okay, in this, what is this feature? Then you can go through that, understand. So this is something team, even after you join the companies also in the coming days, make habituated yourself. Every 3 months, once you explore the document team. So quarterly upgradation release notes will be these things. Okay. So now how to access Oracle standard books we have seen, and how to access quarterly upgrade release notes for every module we have gone through. Everything will be within this website, docs.oracle.com. Right, team? So Oracle Knowledge Repository means this one only. So where you can access Oracle standard documents in the internet. It's a free open source. Clear? Next, let us talk about few minutes regarding Oracle certification process. Because yesterday also I have seen a text message from someone, I exactly can't remember his name. Kumar, certification is mandatory to do or not, or what is the cost? And okay, let me make you clear with this topic, team. First of all, how in Oracle Fusion applications certification concept will work. If anyone want to do a certification, what is the cost that Oracle charging and also what is the examination pattern and what is the pass percentage that you should have. Let me talk about this team and then I will tell you whether it is really important at this point of time to you or not. So let us talk about team Oracle certification process. Oracle certification process. Okay. See, how in Fusion application certification concept will work is many people will have confusion this also. People asking me, Kumar, for entire course, for entire Oracle Fusion HCM, is there any one common certification? No. Oracle will not conduct the certification exam for entire application. No. Module wise, Oracle will conduct the certification exam. For example, we have two modules team, Core HR Absence. So there will be examination for Core HR module by name Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud Implementation Specialist. Okay. And there will be examination code for that IZO. Okay. 1046/25. Okay. Okay. Then Oracle Absence Management Cloud Implementation Specialist. Okay. Then further there is a code IZO1054, something is there team. For every module, Oracle conduct the certification exam. There is no global certification for entire Oracle HCM cloud in the market. Each module wise, Oracle will conduct the exam. Kumar, how we have to write the exam if at all if I want to do that? Generally, there are two ways team. Oracle partnered with a company called View Pearson. Many of you might know whenever you people are in your studies, if anyone tried for abroad studies team, you might be hearing, right? IELTS exam, GRE, TOEFL, PTE, Pearson test. So there will be some test centers where you used to go and write the exam, right? Similarly, this View Pearson is also that only. If you go to internet and you can search, you can able to realize what is that is. Okay. If you come here, yeah. This is a website, pearsonview.com. So basically, this is a examination partner for Oracle. On behalf of Oracle, they will be scheduling the exams, conducting the exams in the market. Prior to COVID, I mean, even now, maximum cities we have View Pearson test centers available. Prior to COVID, we used to go to View Pearson Test Center in our nearby city. We have to pay the fee, book the exam, sit there, and we used to write the exam there. But post COVID, Oracle launched online examination pattern. So now you have two options, offline, online. Either you can go to the test center, book the exam, pay the fee, and write there. Or else directly you can go to pearsonview.com website, then go to online testing, and then you can search with your examination name here. So you can come all examinations you can see of different technologies. You can come to Oracle. You can pick up your exam by creating your account and all. For this, a separate video I recorded and I uploaded in my YouTube channel. How to book the exam, how to create this Pearson View account and all. That's a different story that is not relevant to us at this point of time. You can explore in our YouTube channel team certification process, how it will work. Somewhere I uploaded. If you want, I can share with you. So you can come to Pearson View website and you can book the exam. Or else you can go to Oracle University website also, education.oracle.com. There is one website available, team. This is Oracle's own university website. If you go to internet and if you type it as education.oracle.com, you will end up on this team. So come to certification, okay? And then you can book your exam team, schedule an exam, prepare, take your exam. Here also you can book your exam directly. This is Oracle University website. In these two places, you can go create your account, book the exam, pay the fee, get your slot scheduled, and you can sit in your home and you can write. But this will be video monitored by the tutor. Okay, don't think that someone can write on behalf of me. This will be video monitored. Okay, so these are the two websites that where we can go and we can book our exam. Now let us get into the actuals. Means what? What is the cost incurred? Generally, team, for every module, Oracle charging around 23 to 25K. Okay, 23 to 25K plus applicable taxes. Okay, region to region to 3,000, it will vary, team, city to city also. So around 23,000 plus taxes Oracle charging for the examination. And this is a non-refundable amount. If you book the exam, you return the exam, you failed, amount will not be coming back. No multiple attempts. Okay. If you are booking by yourself, team. And negative marking also will be there. An examination pattern till 2023 completely it was on MCQs. Means what, team? Multiple choice questions. For example, core HR exam you have booked, you used to get 80 to 90 questions. MCQs all are like our MSET exam, AIEEE exam. Question ABCD options. We used to pick up the right answer from that. But in COVID, many malpractices happening in the market, many proxies happening in the market. Okay, people cheating, one person booking the exam and another person taking the money and they are writing on behalf of them. They are manipulating the systems. What Oracle did, they made the examination bit more complex. So now, along with MCQs, they are also giving practical scenarios to configure and show then and there. They're giving you a business case study. They are giving the application access in the exam. You have to configure it then and there itself. So MCQs plus practical scenarios Oracle introduced in their examination pattern. Now, and as I told you, team, negative marking will be there. And pass percentage will be 70%, 70 to 75%. Paper to paper, it will vary. 70% you should get to clear the exam, team. Once you clear that, immediately you will get an email to your registered email. Your certificate copy Oracle will be sending you. So this is Oracle certification process. Now the most concerning point is, Kumar, if we learn this course, is it sufficient or we have to do certification? Because in Workday or SAP, people will be insisting you to do certifications, team, because even recruitments also definitely they will ask. But the best part with Oracle Fusion, certification, if you ask me, no, a big no. It's not a mandatory thing to you to do at this moment. So please forget about certification. No recruitment drives will insist you, if you have a certification only I will recruit you into the company. No. So don't worry about certification concept. The best part compared to SAP or Workday we have in Oracle Fusion is certification is not a mandatory component. But where, Kumar, it will be an added advantage to us when once you, let's say after this training, you attended the interviews, you got a job in some company. In your company, whenever you map it with the project, that also not mandatory. Few of the clients are very particular that all the resources working in their project to be certified implementation specialist. If at all, once you join the company and if your client is very particular, then your project manager will tell you, see, client is asking for certification, do any module certification of your choice. And during that time, your company will pay for you. You no need to waste your money because examination is very costly. Each module is around 23 or 25,000 Oracle charging. You have to pay that fee to Oracle University. So don't do the risk at this moment. Don't waste your personal money. Once you join the organization, if at all in the project there is a requirement, definitely project manager will ask you during that time. Then your company will pay the fee on behalf of you because Oracle for their partnered companies, Oracle will give free coupons to their partnered companies. In your company also, free coupons will be there. You don't need to pay the fee. Just apply the coupon code and you can write. And the best part is you will get multiple attempts also. 2 attempts, 3 attempts, depending upon the company partnership, you will get to you. So I tell every one of you, don't don't concern about certification at this moment. Don't waste your money out of your pockets. If anyone told you to do certification also, please don't agree with them. If you want to follow me as a trainer, please follow me. Never ever get into this kind of thing. There are many people in the market who doing proxies to the certification, charging some lump sum amount, pay the fee, I will clear that. Not required. What is the use? At least in India, it's not at all required. But people from US or from Canada or from Middle East who join the call, you might be required for a certification team because your market recruitments will be like that. The trends in your markets will be most of the recruiters will be more fascinated towards certifications in your regions. So then you might be required that you have to check out how you being recruited over there. But in India, 100% you take it light, not at all required now. Learn the subject, drop the resume, call will schedule, you can present it well and you can get the offer. This is not at all a criteria in your recruitment here team. Once you join the company, if at all required, then you proceed further. Now, Kumar, any help that you can do with certification? Yes, that you can discuss with our admin. Generally, we will be helping out with the dumps. Dumps means what? Whatever the exam you are going to write, question and answers readily will be available with us. 70 to 80% same questions you will be experiencing in the exam. 20-30% will be differed. Sensibly, you have to answer with the knowledge you gained with this training. But 70-80% questions will come from the material which I am going to give you. That we call it as a dumps. So that after the training, if anyone planning for a certification, we can give you. Don't worry about that. But I hope everyone clear with this part team. So what is certification, how it is working, what is the pattern, where to go and schedule, we understood. And also whether it is important or not also, I told you. Right, team? Next team. Next team. Let me introduce to you the Fusion applications today. Let us introduce to you the Fusion application today. As I told you yesterday, the name itself, our technology name is what? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Correct? Our course name is what? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Correct? Okay. So, as I told you, team, this Oracle Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based deployment. Let me go to Excel and then let me tell you. Okay, let me take it into the fresh sheet, right? So Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So let me, okay. So our course name is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications. See, if any customer buy this product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered to them. For example, team, let's take up today, Tata Group is there. I'm taking example of Tata because that is very familiar to every one of us. Today, Tata Group decided that they want to use Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications in their day-to-day HR activities. So Tata Group, we call it as a client or customer. Okay. Now Tata reached to Oracle team. Okay. Tata reached to Oracle. Oracle India Private Limited. Okay. Oracle India Private Limited. So this is the this is the vendor company. Okay. So today Tata reached Oracle India Private Limited in order to buy Oracle HCM cloud applications. So this is client and this is the vendor, right? When any company reached Oracle to buy this Oracle HCM cloud applications, how the application will be delivered to them. Oracle Fusion applications are completely working on a cloud-based technology. Cloud-based technology means what, Kumar? A software that is hosted over the internet. Cloud means what? A software that is hosted over the internet. So just in the form of URL, just in the form of URL. So this is the Fusion applications. Just in the form of URL. For that, to access, we require user ID and password. So we require an account to access that thing. So that's all. Whenever any company buying the product from Oracle, application will be delivered just in the form of this URL thing. So this is our Fusion application. If I take this URL and if I search in any of my browsers, just keep it and give a search. Now see, I'll be entering into the sign in screen of this Fusion Cloud application. See, Oracle Cloud sign in, and system asking me the account details to sign in, like our Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google, Gmail. How you access them? Will you install any app, any softwares in your laptop to access them? No. Just you will go to Google, you will type it as Instagram.com or you will type it as Facebook.com, LinkedIn.com. Then it will prompt you for username and password and you will sign in. Same way, Fusion applications also. The application will be hosted over the internet. You no need to install any software in your laptop. Clients no need to buy any server from Oracle. They no need to buy any data center from Oracle. Nothing. They can pay the fee, the subscription, and they can start using them from day one. From day one. Application will be delivered just in the form of web link, URL, like this team. So if you give your username and password, currently I have my username and password, I am giving it here. Click on next button. That's all. System will take me to the main home screen. Now I'm logging in. So this is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications. The main home screen will be loading now. Right. Click on home button. Click on home button. So this is our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So cloud-based application means like this we can access. Good internet connection and a basic laptop also fine. i3, i5 processor also workable. good internet connection with basic laptop also, we can use Fusion applications without any issue. So this is about cloud-based technology team, and the application will be delivered just in the form of URL. Now, let me tell you something important. What is that? When we working in the real time, or generally, what are the different names that we can call or refer Fusion applications? Whenever you people working in the companies in the coming days, we have to follow particular terminologies or jargons in a professional way to refer the Fusion application. See, between your team members in the project, you are talking with your colleague in the project. You want some client details from him. Can you please give me the link of the client? Please don't use like this. They are not professional. Certain terminologies Oracle given in the market in order to call their applications, in order to refer their applications team. What are they? Let me write down here. See, link, URL, these all are very layman terminologies, very regular layman terminologies. We should not call Fusion applications with this name anymore. These are red marked. What we have to refer Fusion applications? We can call Fusion applications as environment, server, okay, instance, or pod, pod, then sandbox, okay, sandbox, okay. You can call with these names team: instance, server, environment, pod, sandbox, or tenant. Tenant. So these are the official terminologies that Oracle suggesting in order to refer or call their Fusion application. So when you are working in the real-time projects in the coming days also, whenever you interacting with any of your team members, you want to get the application access of one of the client from them, you have to call like this: hey, can you please give me the environment access of that client? Can you please give me the server access of that client or instance details of that kind? Can I have the pod details of the client or tenant access of the client? Can you please give? Yesterday also, when I given you the program highlights and all, in this what I told, 6 months Oracle server access I told. Did I mention Oracle link, Oracle URL? No, Oracle server access. So you also make yourself habituated with these terminologies team. These are very basics only, but it makes sense because I know many of you will portray some experiences and you will apply for the jobs. You really didn't work on the subject, but you portray in your current resumes that already you have some experience prior to this and now you are moving to company, other company. Like, so during that time, you should know in real time in the corporate world, what are the terminologies that they will be calling the Fusion applications in their projects. So never ever use the word, can you give me the link of the client? Hey, can you please give me the URL of the client? Please don't use. These are red marked. So these are the terminologies that we can refer Fusion application. Pod means platform on demand. The abbreviation, platform on demand. Now, one more thing I want to tell you. Sometimes in the real time, whenever you're working in the companies, you might be asked to work for multiple projects of multiple clients team. Particularly in this domain, we have different types of projects: implementation project, support project, that I will tell you when we come to the workshop session here. During your placement time, I will tell you implementation means what, support means what, testing means what. Particularly in support projects, when you're working in the real time, you will be working for multiple clients simultaneously. You means not alone. As a team only you will work, but you might be asked to work for multiple clients team. For example, take that only. You are working for client A, okay, client B, and a client C. For three clients, you are working in the project in your company. Now, how you will understand which client server is what? Because application is in the form of this environment, like this URL. Okay, I should not use the word, but okay, right? So how we can identify team which client application is what? For every customer, when Oracle selling the product, these characters are there now, will be unique. Now I'm having something like DABPQY. So when we are working, we have to see that team. So for one client, they have like this. Okay, they have like this. Then for another client, they have some other characters coming up here. They might have something like this. Okay. Then for some other client, you have some other characters coming up. Okay. Like this, you might have team. So in your environment, these characters after HTTPS, we have, right? Generally team, it will be only 4 characters lengthy word in the real time. But these are our training servers. We have 6 characters lengthy. But generally in the real time, whenever you're working, you will see here only 4 characters lengthy word. Okay. So client to client, these 4 characters will be unique. See, for this client, let's say SDGH. For this client, EGSH. For this client, KSHF. We call it as pod number, POD number. Kumar, they are in characters, no? You are telling number? Yes. Though they are in characters, we call it as pod number. Client to client in their environment. Okay. These 4 characters pod number will be unique. That is the thumb rule you people should be identifying. So in the real time, whenever you're working, if you're working for multiple clients, by looking at that 4 characters, we have to identify which client environment is that. So in every environment in the market team, for every company, when Oracle selling the product in their environment, the 4 characters will be unique. We call it as pod number. And then if you see the instance also, here the currently whatever the environment I am using, this is our training server. For training purpose, Oracle will give certain applications team. In the environment, you will see at the end coming as oracledemos.com. But the actual environments of the client will come with wording of oraclecloud.com team. This is something you have to keep in mind. Whenever you're working in the real time, at the end in the environment, you will be getting the wording like oraclecloud.com. Now you are getting demos.com because these are demo servers team. For training purpose, Oracle will give in the market. But when we working in the projects of our client, their environment will end up with this. So HTTP 4-digit pod number and at the end cloud.com. And here you have DSFA. After pod number also team, we have something combination coming. DSFA. What is this? DSFA means team. This is actually the server code. Oracle having servers across the continent stream. In Asia, in Asia they have a server. In Singapore, Malaysia, they have team. And they have their server in UAE. Okay. And they have in Russia. And then they have in US, Mexico, Canada, Australia. Across the world, Oracle having their servers in different countries. This application hosting in which server is that code is. So for every server, Oracle have a code. So in the environment, whatever is there after the pod number, this is the server code in which country server that client application is hosting. So every applications will host in a server stream. So in which country server that is hosting, that code is related to. So just I'm giving you the basic understanding how the application URL naming convention Oracle follows. So whenever you are working in the real time, these are the names you have to refer the Fusion application and customer to customer. By looking at that 4-digit pod number, you can identify whose environment is that. And in the real time, you will see at the end coming as oraclecloud.com. And then one more thing, team. They are too early to tell you. Whenever we are in the projects, we will experience different environments from the client. We have production environment, test environment, development environment, QA environment, different environments we have, team. That I will tell you in our projects classes. Whenever we're talking our projects, I introduce to you what are the different types of environments we have. I have that concept kept in. Development means what, test means what, production means what. During that time, how you can identify the URL. So generally after the pod number, if it is a test environment, you will have /test. If it is a dev environment, /dev. Like that, you will be having the wording inserted. But what are they, we will understand once we come to those topic thing. They are too early. People who are already experienced in IT, you aware of that. But many of you are from non-IT fresher backgrounds are there. I don't want to touch base those topics at this early point of time. Let's go through the couple of module implementations. And then when we come to the workshop session on that project implementation, I will tell you what is prod, what is dev, what is test. But at this point of time, at this initial stage, these basic understanding, how the environment looks, okay, how the pod number is unique from client to client, what are the different names we can refer Fusion system, you should be familiar with it. So this is what I planned for today. In tomorrow's session, I will be going through the application team. Now, after login, what all these functionalities? Okay, we are getting different sections here. What are this? Then what is this option here? Then what are these icons? What are these here? If I click on the settings and action, what are these? Introduction to the application, the entire touch basing, and it means getting in touch with the application will be covered tomorrow, team. So when we log in, what are the functionalities we have in the system? Then what I mean, like before we starting the project implementation, what knowledge you people should have within the application, I'll be taking through in tomorrow's session. So tomorrow's session will be getting in touch with the Fusion applications, getting habituated with the Fusion applications team. So any questions as such in today's topic, online people? Any
Hello.
questions, online people? Yes,
Hello.
Anjan.
Hello.
Hello, Kumar.
Yeah, hi, Kumar. Anjan here.
Hi, Anjan, please.
The PPT you have referred in the demo, so will it
Hmm.
be available online?
This demo PPT you're asking, huh? Demo PPT is
Yes.
not required, but this Excels and all you will be getting. Whatever I'm using yesterday and today, this everything you will get.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
And also, is the session recorded? Means where to get the recording?
Oh, what is that? Session recording?
Where to get that recording?
That's what, as I told you in the beginning of the class today. Yesterday you got a mail. Please check out the learning portal access. Our team have shared already to you, Anjan. In our
Okay, okay.
website, you
Learning
can
for
find.
knowledge.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Uh,
got it, got it.
Hmm.
Regarding the certification, is this
The mail.
course enough to pass?
100% sufficient. Yes.
Okay.
Hi
Yes,
Kumar. Hello.
yes, please.
What all topics you will be covering for Redwood and AI? Like what all areas we will be covering it?
Now the application maximum screens are in the Redwood UI. So the entire training will be conducted on that. Customization part, we have Visual Builder Studio. We will be covering that. How to customize the pages, page attributes, properties, fields, that all.
And what about AI? Like, what all topics we'll be covering? Agentic AI? Are we
Sorry?
creating agents? Are we creating
We are
agents?
not going to create the agents and we are not going to integrate with anything. Existing AI agents, whatever we have, how we are using them in the system, that will be covered. Okay.
We have this daily 1 hour classes, right? Besides the
Mhm.
classes, will we be required to spend more time to study and practice, and
Definitely, Samir, at least
Yes,
more 1 hour you have to spend every day.
that's
1 hour
enough, right?
class, yes, 1 hour class and more 1 hour of practice. Every day, whatever we have gone through 1 hour, immediately that you could practice, that will be sufficient. But if you keep it for weekend, if you push for weekend, it will become burden to you. 5 hours you have to cover in 1 2 days. So if anyone of if you plan in such a way that every day 1 hour class and more 1 hour of practice, same day, same topic, then that will be sufficient to you.
Look,
Okay.
hi Kumar, I'm Kalyan.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to
I
ask
can.
these modules, payroll and talent acquisition, all other
Mm-hmm.
modules will
Mm-hmm.
be will be taught us in real terms, like how to process the payroll
Obviously, yes, both
all one by
configuration and
one.
transactions will be covered. First, we will cover the implementation part. Okay. Then, once we hand over the system to the client, how they will use that module. So, this training is both implementing the system and also the transactions part. We are going to run the payroll. We are going to see how they are getting processed and paid to the employee. And we are going to configure absences and we are going to see how employees applying the leave, how balances are consuming from the system, everything. It's a practical end-to-end implementation training only. Okay.
Like
Yeah,
Kumar, as you have told,
Kumar on Kumar
as
Yeah.
you
Suman.
have told that the upgrade will come in which every quarter, so it will be in the beginning of the quarter or the first date of the quarter.
It depends. There is something which we can't able to identify that Oracle will schedule. Maximum times middle of the quarter Oracle will give.
Okay,
99% middle of the quarter Oracle giving.
Kumar Suman
after the
here.
quarter start, right? After the quarter start.
Correct. Yes,
Okay.
is Sumana. Someone asking is Suman, please.
Yeah, Kumar.
Yeah,
So my
sorry,
I have two
Kumar, I have
questions.
a question.
1 second, let me take up Suman. I'll come to you. Suman,
Okay.
please continue.
So this is one thing. This HCM portal access. Okay.
Hmm.
So will we get it soon?
Acha, you're asking this application access. Today you will
Yes.
get in the community, yes. By today
Okay.
evening you will get, don't worry.
And another question is like the other part when you have showed us the note section from your end, the document.
Materials, that also you will get, yeah. See,
Okay.
today, yesterday and today we are in the process of making a group. So once
Uh-huh.
that group is finalized so that we can share to everyone. That's why we're waiting for all the people. Simple. Maximum by today evening you will get, don't worry.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, now someone Akhil or someone
Yeah,
is there?
Kumar, this portal access,
Hmm.
everyone will get this Oracle portal access to practice on,
Hmm.
or how
You will
we,
get. You are not in the yesterday's class, Kalyan.
yeah, I'm there.
We told na 6 months of server access and people enrolled yesterday got 9 months.
Okay, okay,
You will get that, yes. Next,
okay.
Akhil or Anjay, any question, please?
Hi, Kumar. Myself,
Kumar, when
Ranjay.
is the next batch starting?
Next month it will be.
Next month. Okay.
Yeah, we'll able to get OIC access as well.
OIC you will not get in this. OIC is a separate program we have that you can check with the team. They will guide you. Yeah.
Hi, Kumar.
Yeah.
Uh,
Hi.
Myself,
Ranjit.
Ranjit. Uh,
Yes, Ranjit.
uh, Being an ex-Oracleite, in 2018, I worked on HCM applications, like
Mm-hmm.
in the performance tuning area, like a lot of stuff.
Okay.
Right now, I'm in US.
Mm-hmm.
How, while practicing, or if we get stuck, how the support will be.
You can reach out between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Team will be available. You can drop us in the WhatsApp or even to the call also. Team will assist. Or even after the session, you can discuss with me every day. No problem in that.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure. And
I think before getting into the patients for further, so I request everyone, if anyone had to confirm the registration, now also our team have sent in the Zoom chat the registration link. please do complete the registrations because today will be the last day. We are not continuing the registrations anymore. Please complete it today, team. Tomorrow onwards, whoever joined in that new community, you will be getting the access, everything. Already we have sent for all the registered participants the learning portal access and the community link access to them. So please do complete. So today by maximum evening, please complete the registrations before 5 p.m. so that we will be creating a group and then we will be sharing all the access materials, everything to the participants. Okay. Yes, someone asking, please continue.
So does the training link changes every day and it will be communicated one day before, or is it?
Till today we haven't changed it, but from tomorrow it will change. That will be for next maximum period for 1 month or 2 months. Any
Okay.
time if there is a change, we will give you a update, but generally it won't change. It's a paid link.
Okay. And
Okay.
also the group which was created is of May 26. That's what the name is. So,
They
but
might be mistakenly did that. I'll inform. It's June actually.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
no problem.
If that is the case, so that it will be no
No
confusion
issue.
there.
I'll inform them. No problem. Okay.
Is there any WhatsApp group? Actually, I have not added yet.
Suman Hazra.
Yes.
So you have received the email from the company? I mean, like from our academy?
Yeah, where the recordings are there.
In that you have a WhatsApp link to join. Please join from that. You can able to
Oh,
join. Okay.
okay. Let
Hey,
me check.
hi Kumar, Momita
Hello?
this side. I
Mamata,
have one
please.
question. Yeah. So the Oracle access, what you mentioned for 9 months, is it including this 3 month or
Obviously,
excluding?
including 3 months
So three
from day
months
one.
in okay. 3 month during training, and
Yes,
other
yes.
than training period, 6 month
Yes,
additional, right?
Mamata. Correct.
Okay,
Mm,
sure. Thank you.
yeah. Well, team, then I'll conclude here. Let's join back tomorrow and we'll start with our actual discussion with respective to the subject. So I request again, please complete the registrations before 5 p.m. today. So we'll be closing the registrations for the batch today, team. We'll continue from tomorrow. Thank you everyone, team.